College is a time when you really start to set the stage for your future. You're taking steps towards your future career, and maybe you have a part-time or summer job where you're starting to make some decent money. That also makes it a good time to start smart financial habits like saving and investing so you can help that money grow. A great first step is to put some of your earnings into a Roth IRA while your income is still low enough to make you eligible. And the earlier you start, the better, because of something Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest. You're earning interest on the money you save, and then you earn interest on that money, compounding it. As important as starting early is staying consistent and making smart investment choices, learning that markets will fluctuate and that risk can pay off in long-term growth potential. Take a look at this chart showing 4 different hypothetical people's investments over time. Nervous Noah invests from age 25 to age 65, and he sticks with conservative fixed income investments that return 2% per year. You can see that he ends up with the least amount by age 65. Quitter Quincy starts saving at age 25 and invests in more risky investments that return 6% a year. But he stopped saving at age 35 after investing only $24,000. He was smart to start early though. Compare him to late Lila, who waited until age 35 to start saving and saved until age 65. She saved $72,000, 3 times as much as Quincy, and they end up with very similar amounts. Consistent Chloe has it all. She starts early, at age 25. She invests for long-term growth potential, and she sticks with it, continuing to save until age 65. And you'll see that she has the most, by a lot, at the end of the illustration. Of course, this is just a hypothetical with lots of disclaimers, but the lessons are real. Start early, stick with investing, and choose an investment strategy that matches your goals. So, how do you make smart investment choices? Talk to your parents or another adult you trust and to their financial advisor and tax preparer to get started. While you're in college, also pay attention to your financial education. Share this video and ask questions so you can be smart about money.